to my channel and welcome to another video. Guys, it has been a hot minute since I actually sat down and filmed a beauty video. You guys have no idea how much I have missed this, but you know what? I just needed to sit my ass down and actually play with makeup. I got some packages in PR today, so I would say that motivated me to kind of just sit down and play around with my face because I don't remember the last time that I beat my face, honestly. But like I said, I just got so many new things to try out, and that really did motivate me to actually sit down. Plus, I did get a new background. I moved around some stuff just to kind of, you know, give me a little umph so that I can feel better and actually film and be in a good mood. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. It's just going to be a nice talk through video just so you guys can see the look that I came up with today, which I am completely obsessed with. You can wear this look out anywhere. Like, it's just very simple. Let me just be quiet and let's just jump right into the video. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so I am actually so excited to sit down and actually play around with makeup because y'all know it's been a hot minute since I actually sat down and did a tutorial, or not even a tutorial, kind of like a get ready with me type of deal. So yeah, I just put on my brows, like I actually put them on, whatever. So we're just gonna go ahead and prime the eyes using a concealer. And the concealer that I'm going to be using today is just a concealer that I've been using. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and this is in the shade Sand. So we're just gonna take this, just gonna put some right there. We're just gonna blend this all over our eye, just so it can give us a nice base. Guys, look how gorgeous this palette looks, and it's not even that. Like, the outside of it, this is all velvet. Like, it feels so freaking good. It's like a velvet material. So cute. So this is the Summer Nights Mad Love Palette by Juno and Company. First of all, it has a mirror, so that's like a plus because this always comes in handy. You can just do your makeup looking cute. Yes, and y'all, let's talk about these colors though. Look at these colors in this palette. Aren't they just gorgeous? Like, these colors like scream my name right here, especially this like purple, this blue. So beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and set that concealer, and I'm just gonna use this one around. Turn it around. I'm just gonna use this first color right here. It's just a nude color just to kind of set my concealer, and this color is called Bleach. So I'm gonna take some of that, and we are just gonna go ahead and set that. I'm gonna be using this shade right here, and this shade is called Bravo. And we're gonna use that as a transition color. Put that all over the crease and just kind of blend up, just so that we can be ready for the next color and everything will look blended. This is actually a pretty transition color. It's nice. These colors actually blend like butter, like literally. They blend so nicely. I'm in love. So the next color I'm gonna be using is the one right next to it, which is this taupey color right here. And this color is called ILYSB. I love you. I don't know what the SB stands for. So we're just gonna put this color over top. That way it can give you a little bit more oomph to your look. And you can kind of see the colors transitioning very nicely. Just go ahead and start right at your crease and just kind of blend it together with the first color. Again, the best way to apply these shadows, y'all, is just go, or any shadows, not just this one, you just go windshield wiper motions, very light hand. The lighter the hand, the better the colors blend, because you're just using a very nice like windshield wiper motion, kind of like a fan motion, and it's just diffusing the color very nicely. So don't like be hard, like, you know, super hard, no. Make sure you just use it, just a very light hand. I kind of do want to darken this up a little bit, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the exact same brush, and I'm gonna go with the next color over, which is a darker taupey color. And this color is called High Ground, which is this one right here. And I'm only gonna apply that to the outer corners of my eye. Just a tad bit because I'm pretty sure, oh yes, it is very dark. So just in the outer corners of my eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this color that is screaming my name. I just absolutely wanna use this one. And it's this gold color right here. It's called The Weekend. It's so beautiful, y'all. Like, I just love it. Like, I'm in love. So I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna apply that all over the lid. Oh, yes. 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 Do y'all see that? Wow, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna actually apply some spray just to kind of see if there's like a difference in the pigment, which probably there isn't, but kind of just, it makes a little bit of difference. I feel like this is so gorgeous. I just can't, like this is exactly what I was trying to go for actually. We're just gonna go ahead and move on with the face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this rose hip oil. I believe I got this at TJ Maxx. I believe I've been using this thing for a very long time and I just love it because it really does hydrate my skin and it doesn't quite leave it oily like I hate, but I don't know, it's just very moisturizing, so I just love it. Once I let that kind of sink into my skin, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. This is a very important step to me because y'all know, if you don't know and you're new to my channel, I am a very oily individual. I have a very oily T-zone. The way that I have been controlling it lately is I do set my face with powder, so I kind of just set like the areas that I tend to get oily the most. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some loose powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, has been my favorite lately. I'm just gonna take that and just dust it off where I get oily. Which is like here. So for foundation today, I am going to be using my all-time favorite foundation, very affordable. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and this is in Desert Beige. I'm just gonna apply this all over my face, like so. And for a beauty blender, I am going to be using that Juno & Company. This is called, I think this is a new one. This is called their, get my life together. This is called their Microfiber Velvet Sponge. I do have a lot of these, but they are like different. I guess this is like their new ones. They just came out, like they have like different angles, because the one that I have, I don't know if I have it handy, but the one that I have, you guys will see it if you go watch the video. It's like two flat sides. So this is a flat side, flat angled side, and then this is the bouncy side, just like a regular blender. I have been using these ever since they introduced them to me, and I just love them. I feel like it leaves you with a beautiful airbrushed look, like an airbrushed finished look. It's just so beautiful. You can use it damp, wet, dry. I did a damp mine, but it's kind of like already dryish because I was doing my eye makeup, but it works like a dream. It's so nice. I just like, this is my favorite. It's just so full coverage and the finish is beautiful. So I'm just gonna use that same concealer. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind in Sand. This has been like my favorite concealer lately. It's full coverage, one. And I'm gonna take that flat side of the velvet sponge and I'm gonna use that to blend my concealer. This leaves you with a beautiful finish. I cannot, guys. Y'all really need to go get this sponge. I'm definitely gonna link it down below, but oh my god, sometimes I forget how amazing this sponge is. We're gonna go ahead and quickly start setting. That way there are no creases. And like I said, I know I look like a ghost right now, but don't worry, we are going to fix that. We're gonna use that same powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. We're just gonna go ahead and start setting very quickly here. We're gonna go ahead and set the rest of our face using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in the shade 310. And we're just gonna go ahead and set the rest of our face. Next, we're gonna go ahead and bronze up this face because I am looking like a freaking mummy and nobody got time for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Black Radiance pressed powder, and this is a matte finish pressed powder, and this is in the shade Golden Almond. I got this at Walgreens or CVS. This is a powder, like a face powder, but I use it to bronze up my face. Let's go ahead and add some dimension to this face. We're gonna obviously make sure that this forehead stays intact because I got a huge forehead, y'all. Like, I really do. So now we're gonna go ahead and use a blush. This is a Palladio matte blush, and we're just gonna take this. We're just gonna take a Juno. Oh, by the way, that big brush that I was using to set my face, this is a Juno & Company brush as well. Look at the aesthetic of these brushes, y'all. So freaking nice and sleek. Like, they're just so beautiful. These brushes are, again, from Juno & Company. They're very affordable. So I have this one. This is the ES03 brush. Super soft. And then this is their angled brush, and this is the ES05, and I use this brush for my blush. And it's so freaking beautiful. My face right now looks so flawless. Now I'm gonna go ahead and focus on my lower lash line. We're gonna take the exact same palette. And now I'm actually going to take this pencil brush by Juno & Company. This is the ES08 brush. And I'm gonna use that ILY shade, the second color that I used on my crease. I'm gonna use this for the bottom lash line. I'm also gonna take that angled brush, and I'm gonna use that dark color called High Ground that I used, this one right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that as close to my lower lash line as possible. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out with that same pencil brush. So again, as close to the lash line as possible. This is going to like mimic a liner at the lower lash line. I really don't like to apply liner whatsoever anymore. So I just kind of mimic this. The mascara that I've been wearing is this L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. This is in Blackest Black. I've been using this one and the Maybelline, or is it CoverGirl? The Big Shot one, the gold one. That one is really good too, but so is this one. They've been like my favorites ever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. I already have naturally long lashes, so just like with a couple of coats, my eyelashes look nice. I haven't worn any falsies. Like, I'm just not a fan of falsies anymore. I don't know why. I just been super lazy to put some on. But either way, I don't know. I just been rocking my natural lashes. My favorite highlighter, or my favorite highlighting palette at the moment, this is the Oasis Bad Habit palette. And you can get this at shophush.com. Super freaking affordable, guys. This is like $10. So you guys know that if you come to my channel, everything that I do use is very affordable. I just hate recommending makeup that I know is going to like break your budget. We're not here for that. We don't have time for that. So of course, I always, you know, got the hookup for the good affordable stuff. And the quality, guys, you don't have to question the quality because the quality is amazing. You all know how much I've been using this if you really do know me and you've been following me for a while. So anyway, I'm gonna use this for highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and take these two colors. This is Piña Colada and this is Nude Beach. I'm gonna take these two and just kind of use this as my inner corner highlight. Oh, so beautiful. We have to highlight the nose. Then we're gonna take these two to highlight the tip of my nose, which is Nude Beach and Tan Lines. And I'm literally just gonna highlight right there, like nothing more, just right there. For lips, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Jordana Sweet Cream. This is their matte liquid lip color, and this is in the shade Cinnamon Toast. I don't know why, I just kind of want to use this color. It's so freaking cute. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is what I came up with today. Of course, the main product for this look was the Summer Nights palette by Gino and Company, but guys, I absolutely loved it for $12. Like, you cannot beat this. Like, look at all the beautiful colors that you do get. I just feel like this look is perfect for any occasion, to be honest. And I just love it. And at the same time, this palette, you can create so many looks. I think I'm gonna go next for that blue color or that purple color because they're just screaming my name. So of course I'm gonna play around with those very, very soon. Hopefully you guys liked my new setup, my new background. I just wanted something different because I was very unmotivated. So of course I needed something to motivate me and start doing some videos. Of course, vlogs are not going anywhere. I'm still going to be uploading, but I just miss you guys so much. So anyway, I guess I will just see you guys in my next video.